Let's be real. You use your phone every single day. It goes everywhere with you, always right by your side. But here's something most people don't realize. Your phone also comes with a built-in system that's constantly collecting data about you. Yep. There's a feature on your Android device that works quietly in the background. It uses advanced algorithms to learn your habits, where you go, what you're interested in, when you're active, and even what you might be talking about. All of this is used to build a behavior profile, mainly to show you more targeted ads. Recently, this system got updated on many Android phones, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to find it and turn it off. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down until you find the Google section and tap on it. Next, select All Services. From here, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and tap on Ads. Here, you'll see something called Ad Privacy. Go ahead and open it. Inside this section, turn off these three options: Ad Topics, App Suggested Ads, Ad Measurement. If any of these are turned on, make sure you disable them. Now, we move to the most important step. Go back and look for your advertising ID. This is what apps and websites use to track your activity and show you targeted ads. Tap on Reset Advertising ID, then confirm it. After that, tap on Delete Advertising ID and confirm again. This will stop apps from using your unique ID to track you and personalize ads. And that's it. Now your phone will limit how much it tracks your behavior for advertising, giving you more control over your privacy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick tips like this.